What's up, everyone? So, where we're gonna start today. We left off on the last video with my Sylvia hood. I did get a new hood for my car this season. This one's way cleaner than my hood last year, and it doesn't have hood pins, which is awesome. Yesterday, I got it fully prepped and ready to get primered and then painted. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try and prep it and hopefully prime it tonight. B-Hall's gonna come down and spray it. So I gotta head down to the paint store, get some high build primer, get the paint, get some Scotch Brights, and then go to town. Not scared. And I got everything I need, so I got my reducer, my activators, cups, got the single stage paint, the Transportation Black. Stay using this stuff, super strong, really love it, super cheap. And then of course, the high build primer. Holy shit, this is dense. This is heavy. So we had to basically Scotch Brite the whole freaking hood. Now what the Scotch Brite does, it's kind of like a, somewhere around like a 400 grit sandpaper almost, but it doesn't really dig. All like the overspray from the etch, because you know when you spray, the mist kind of settles farther out and it gets all over whatever you're spraying. And so we essentially have to get everything nice and smooth with the Scotch Brights. And then once we're done with this, instead of doing a like a fine sand as is and then doing a flash primer and then a spray, I'm gonna be using a high build primer, and which will help kind of like fill in all like the impurities with like the 220 grit that I did sand it with. And then we're gonna be sanding the primer once that cures nice and smooth, and then we're gonna spray it over that with the single stage. So there's a few ways to do it, and that's the way we're gonna be doing it, and we should be all set. So let's just get to scrubbing. Look at this thing. This thing is so icy. All right, well, B-Hall showed up right afterward. I thought he was gonna come after. So B-Hall's going for a little road trip today.
Yes.
I thought he was coming after, but we're doing it right now.
We're gonna hammer it out.
We're just gonna hammer it out.
We're gonna hammer it.
This is just a primer. So like, if we fully mess it up, like it always just sand it smooth and we're all good anyway, so.
It's gonna come out beautiful, don't worry.
He says it's perfect. Okay. We gotta rush real quick because B-Hall's gotta head out, but we're just gonna spray it right here, I guess. Primer's not that harsh, is it?
Not really, man. Come on, like, you should wear a respirator always.
Yes. Paint, we gotta make sense. You guys have seen us paint a lot of stuff, but it's always fun. It's always a great transformation, so. We got this, there we go. Activator. Fuck. This one's for me. Guys, remember, first step when you do this is always drain your air compressor, because water builds up inside these things from condensing the air. So, as you can see, don't want any water in the paint. Good. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let me just double check. I don't want anything on the hood.
This right here is a wet edge, right? Because the edge is wet. So when I go to prime the other side, I'm not gonna start here. I'm gonna start on my wet edge. That way you don't get any weird overspray or shit like that. Make sure it's wet. Look at that.
Looks good though. Yeah, I mean, even though I was sanding like an idiot, it still came up pretty smooth. The top corners over here, you can see some indents from me sanding like rough.
So I'm finally getting my car back together. I'm gonna put some coolant in it, start it, hopefully she don't leak. And yeah, I'll be pretty mad if it leaks because pink coolant isn't cheap, and I know you guys are probably gonna talk shit. Oh, why are you running pink coolant, this and that? I'll run whatever coolant I want in my car. That's just preference. You guys can run whatever coolant you want. And that's it. So I'm gonna fill it up, hopefully she don't leak, and we'll go from there. It's so pink.
Man's like with Volkswagen coolant. Oh. If this leaks, it's gonna suck.
Don't even do it.
All right, guys. So DJ tried to bleed out his coolant system, let it get up to temp, and we kind of figured out why it was overheating. The inlet from the engine to the radiator is super, super hot. Radiator to engine, still ice cold, which means the thermostat is not opening, allowing coolant to go into the engine to then create the loop and then cool it down. So, hey Steffi.
Hi.
I got you a gift.
Yeah? Is it good? Oh, look at you, fancy. Did you get them from RJ?
Yeah, I bought RJ's.
Oh, you're so funny.
Merry Christmas.
Am I gonna leave this on forever?
If you want it.
You gonna put it on for me? What happened to RJ?
So it's not ready. I gotta fix it.
What's
So
wrong with
RJ broke it, and he didn't want to fix it,
it?
and so he wanted to sell it, and
spent-
I bought it,
So
and I gotta fix it. So RJ ripped the latch off,
Which one?
and they're fiberglass, so I could repair it. It's just gonna take some work, but it shouldn't be too hard.
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're doing great, Donald. Why didn't you get the electric ratchet?
I ain't that bougie.
She only makes like $45,000, it's $52,000.
Yeah, fuck! Why'd you do that?
Waterfall.
Well, guys, we actually have something pretty big going on today. I mean, you probably know by the title of the video at this point, but I didn't mention it early in the video today because I didn't know if it was actually gonna happen. We're getting something pretty cool at the shop tonight, hopefully. We'll see. The person that's dropping it off is he's a little sporadic, let's put it that way. So I didn't know if it was actually gonna happen tonight or not, so I didn't really wanna like talk about it at the beginning of the video, but here it is. So I'm just happy my hood is primed. You know what? That's a victory for me today. Now, the problem is all our builds are like 90% done, so there's no crazy content going on.
Yeah, what should we do?
I want to fucking swap the E36 so bad.
Yeah, I know you want to do that.
So yeah, hopefully it shows up soon.
Yeah, hopefully that does it for you.
You ain't nice. You ain't nice. How's she doing?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's great.
I'm stoked.
Finally not overheating her ass. Let's see what are we at? I can't see.
Oh, that's good.
She's running cold.
A cool 150.
I keep forgetting you have the brick on. This dude's, I forget he has a brick on one side and a double on the other. The Sylvia is officially going home with DJ. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss looking at her. She's a pretty car. DJ, drive safe, homie.
Hey!
Oh my god.
What's up, dude?
It made it here in one piece.
You like your car?
Oh my god.
Thank you for letting me drive for a couple days. I'm kind of upset about it because I fell in love with it and I don't want to give it to you. So much
Drew,
fun.
do you feel it?
It's honestly comfortable.
Here, right.
It's-
I gotta put Tucker in the fast.
This is
All right.
honestly not bad.
Dude, it's not comfortable if you drive
Tucker's gonna
20
look
hours
easy to
straight.
They're nice and furry.
Look at that. Tucker.
Dude, this is the perfect ride for you.
Drew Tube just took it for a whip. How was it?
He loves it. I
Yeah?
like, dude.
Is it
I
Tucker's-
wish I had the camera. Like, he was loving every single second
You
of it.
love it.
I love it. It's
fun,
honestly
right?
a lot more comfortable than I thought.
This is Drew's first time doing right-hand drive manual. Was it
That
weird?
was the only thing that was weird. I put it in fifth once.
All right, so I put the camera down for a little while just to hang out with Rednick, but here it is, guys. If you guys don't know, this is a. What'd you forget?
Dude, I forgot my vape batteries. I can't leave. Oh, and my keys.
Guys, this is a 19. I'm assuming 90, right? What is this? 89 or? Oh.
I swear it's not what it looks like. I have acne, all right? I swear.
Oh my god, bro. But okay, so it's a, I don't know the year, I should probably go look at it, but it's probably like a 90, a Suzuki Cappuccino. It's a 6, I know, I don't know either. It's below 93, that's all we know. It's a 660cc turboed engine. I don't even know what oh my god, look at this freaking thing. A lot of you guys probably know this car. It's been a very monumental car to Bryce Miata and Tommy FES channel. And HP Logic, of course, that's who the car actually came from. And you guys know HP Logic from my videos. There's just so much to say about this car, especially if you guys haven't seen it before, but this car is amazing. I am just way too big for the damn car. We have plans for this car, and I don't want to disclose it yet. We're going to save it up probably for tomorrow's video, but for now, I just wanted we got it. It is in our possession. It's at our shop. It has officially made its way here from Florida, and it's come a long way. I don't want to show you guys too much right now. I want to save it. I want to go fully through this car and find out all the nook and crannies in it, because I know there's a lot of hidden secrets with this thing, and I'm pumped. I don't even know what else to say, right? What do you think of this thing, first impression?
The better Miata.
It's a better Miata, he says. I can't wait till Steffi drives this thing. She's gonna be in love with it. So Don, what do you think of it?
Dude, this is dope.
Isn't it really cool?
Yeah. Big question is if I could fit in it. Oh my god. How am I gonna get out though?
Are you serious?
Oh, dude, no way.
Pretend to drive it.
Yo, there's no way.
All All right, now you can really get an idea on the size, comparing it to the S13. I guess this angle isn't amazing. Let's get up here. I can't wait to put this next to the Miata. I guess this angle doesn't make it look that much smaller, but... All right, guys, so got the hood primer today. Gotta get the sand and paint tomorrow. Really excited. My car will be like one piece and it'll look normal and I won't get fucking pulled over. Got the cappuccino here. We got a lot of plans for this. We got a lot to talk about and I'll get into that in the next video. But for now, I'm just stoked it's in my possession. Huge shout out again to HP Logic. I mean, they got this car here. Rudnick drove it, but they got this car in the country. They got it here to me and this is amazing. So Rudnick, Ricer Miata, HP Logic, and Mike Devine for having to sit through this whole drive. Thank you guys so much. I can't wait to show Steffi this car. I cannot wait to go through it, and I can't wait for all the guys to play with this damn thing, but I keep rambling on, so you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys with some new content tomorrow.